This is a homemade humidifier, for indoor environments. I use this humidifier during the winter period, when indoor air tends to become dry, and you can get shocks from static electricity. A simple construction with an aquarium water pump, that pumps up water and moistens hanging dishcloths. A fan creates an airflow past the cloths, and the water evaporates. The humidifier converts 12 to 15 liters of water per day into water vapor. The dishcloths are 60 by 34 centimeters in size, and have been sewn together at the ends so that they form pockets. In the lower pocket, there is a brass rod inserted as a weight, and as a stabilizer, against wobbling movement, due to the airflow. The aquarium water pump, push up water to the horizontal plastic pipes. Each plastic pipe has 4 2 mm holes on the top, where the water leaks out. The water pump provides a sufficient water flow, to keep the dishcloths wet. Lime in the water does not evaporate, but remains in the container. Over time, the lime content in the water increases, as new water is added every day, which is why the remaining water in the container should be replaced once a week. To reduce the fan speed, a capacitor is connected, in series, to reduce the supply voltage to the fan.